guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace rear door speaker. We'll demonstrate on the rear left door, but the rear right will be the same way. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful guys. If you need to buy any parts for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find parts for a really good price and incredibly fast shipping as well guys. So let's start on it now. So what we need to do first, so we need to open the rear door, and rear left or right door is the same procedure guys. Right here, first thing that we need to do is under the door handle you have actually one cover, okay, that you need to pop loose. So okay, like that, we get it out. Perfect. And he has 3 clips on it. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. They go in these holes. There is one screw with Torx 20. So if you need any tools or parts guys, you can check out the tools and parts in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get everything of our parts from. We remove that screw. Perfect. Now right here we have another cap. Okay, check out. This is in that door handle. Perfect. And we have one more screw just like the one that we already removed. And this one is with the same tool, Torx 20. So far, not complicated, right? Okay, we got it out. Now we get a plastic panel remover tool. Okay, and we start guys getting that panel loose. So let me explain what we'll be doing. We need to find a spot where we can put the tool in. You need to start prying a little bit. That tool is good that it doesn't cause damage guys. It's very tight, so find a spot where you can get the tool in good and you can pry. I don't think this door has ever been removed. No, it's tight. But once you get the tool in and you can get your hands in, okay, here you have to be careful because the door will fall apart. So we need to grab and pry right here. Okay, not to break your door panel. The same thing applies to the front, because otherwise you may break your panel, guys. Perfect. If you break any clips, we'll have the replacement clips in the description of the video below. Now, okay, let's see here if it's stuck or if we have side clips, because sometimes you have side clips. That's why it's a good thing to always watch guys the video to know what's happening. It just goes in. Okay, let me see now. Yep, we need to go up. We just need to lift it up. Perfect. Need to lift it up, need to get out of the lock button. Now we need to disconnect the door handle. How you do that? Okay, let us explain you quick. Okay, that tooth right here, okay, needs to be pried up a little bit. Then it comes out, and it comes out of here and pull the ball out. Next, okay, the wiring harness for the window switch. Press in, pull it out. Okay, let me see if I can get it with that hand. Yep, right there. Press in, pull out. And you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are guys. So you need to know. Facing with the back, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one clip is missing. Right here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 clips. 2 clips that we broke guys, and that we will need to replace. Now, once you remove them or replace with new one, you just push them in. We're going to get a clip removal tool now to actually get them out. Otherwise, you won't be able to install the door panel later. So, let us show you now, okay, where that is. So this is the clip removal tool. Okay, we're going to go down and up. We have 2 of them. One here, you go underneath and it pops out. One more. You have to go on the very last layer, pull it out. Now, how you guys install those when you get new replacement ones, I'll go ahead and order some. I'll share the link, guys, in the description of the video below. But you just push them in the canal until they go in. Okay, and you will be practically, guys, okay, ready with the door panel now. So once you remove the door panel, we can actually get to the door speaker, guys, the rear door speaker. And that speaker, okay, it has, okay, one screw on top with a 7mm socket, guys. Now, this is amazing screwdriver that I would definitely recommend. Okay, that's what the screw looks like. The speaker is going to come in an angle now. Okay, you're going to lift the top up. Now, it will be stuck a little bit, guys. You need to, okay, it's going to come this way out first, on top. Okay, like that. And then you pull up, I think. Okay, there is a clip there, metal clip. And then you lift it up. Now, go ahead, disconnect the wiring harness, guys. We need to remove the wiring harness from the speaker now. Okay, we won't be able to do it with this one. Press in and disconnect the wire. And this is, guys, your speaker, okay, out of the car. Let me show you now on the bottom. It just goes like that on top. Once you break it loose, you have that clip right here. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.